हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ इंटेलेक्चुअल सब। स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ फिजिक्स के MCQs। तो करते हैं वीडियो को स्टार्ट। उससे पहले अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वेरिएबल इज अ थर्मोडायनेमिक स्टेट्स वेरिएबल? ऑप्शन सी, इंटरनल एनर्जी। When steam is converted into water, internal energy of the system decreases. Which of the following is not true about isothermal expansion of an ideal gas? Option C is the correct option. Which of the following phenomena is reversible? B option, that is charging of a battery. If a system goes from initial to final state without changing internal energy, then the heat supplied to system is option A, fully utilized for doing work. Which of the following is true about an isobaric process? Pressure is constant. By the zeroth law of thermodynamics, the thermodynamic variable whose value is equal for two systems in thermal equilibrium is option D, temperature is the correct option. Work done in an adiabatic process is option C is the correct option. The specific heat at constant pressure is more than that at constant value due to the fact that additional work need to be done for allowing expansion of gas at constant temperature is the correct option. The internal energy of an ideal gas depends upon only its temperature. Which of the following can be the basis of separating a mixture of gases? Option A is the correct option. The monoatomic molecule have only 3 degrees of freedom because they can possess only translatory motion. Option A is the correct option. The energy associated with each degree of freedom of a gas molecule is option B, kT. Kinetic theory of gases, it is assumed that between two collisions, the molecules travel with uniform velocity is the correct option. What is the number of degree of freedom of an ideal diatomic molecule at ordinary temperature? Option B, 5 is the correct option. Law of equipartition of energy is applicable to the system whose constituents are option C, in random motion is the correct option. Aman is climbing up a spiral type of staircase. His degree of freedom are option C, 3. The equation PV is equal to RT. V refers to the volume of option B, 1 mole of a gas. The mean kinetic energy of a monoatomic gas molecule is option D is the correct option. Gases deviate from an ideal gas behavior because their molecules interact with each other through intermolecular forces is the correct option. Which of the following is the correct definition of oscillation? Option C, a repetitive to and fro motion about an equilibrium position is the correct option. Which of the following quantities remain constant in simple harmonic motion? Option D, total energy. The time period of a simple pendulum depends on which of the following factor? Option C, that is length of the pendulum. Which of the following statement is about angular frequency is correct? Option B, it is the reciprocal of time period. A simple harmonic oscillation has got a displacement of 0.02 meter and acceleration equal to 2.0 meter per second square at any time. The angular frequency of the oscillator is equal to option A is the correct option. The restoring force in simple harmonic motion is directly proportional to displacement. A mass spring system oscillates with the period of 2 seconds. What is the frequency of oscillation? That is 0.5 Hz. The time period of a thin magnet is 4 seconds. If it is divided into 2 equal halves, then the time period of each part will be option C, 2 seconds. The maximum velocity for particle in simple harmonic motion is 0.16 meter per second and maximum acceleration is 0.64 meter per second square. The amplitude is option A is the correct option. For a magnet of time period T, magnetic moment is m. If the magnetic moment becomes 1/4 of the initial value, then the time period of oscillation becomes double of initial value. A body is under the action of two equal and oppositively directed force and the body is rotating with constant acceleration. Which of the following cannot be separation between the lines of action of the forces? That is 0. Option A. The wheel has radius 10 cm and is coupled by a belt with another wheel of radius 30 cm. The smaller wheel increases its speed from rest at a uniform radius rate of pi radians. The speed of larger wheel becomes 100 rpm after option D, 10 seconds. A body of mass m slides down an inclined plane and reaches the bottom with velocity v. If the ring of same mass rolls down the same inclined plane, what will be its velocity on reaching the bottom? Option B is the correct option. 3 thin iron rods, each of mass m and length l, are welded so as to form an equilateral triangle. The M and L about the axis passing through the CM and perpendicular to its plane is option C is the correct option. The body rolls without slipping. The radius of gyration of the body about an axis passing through its center of mass is K. Radius of the body V R. Then what is the ratio of its rotational kinetic energy to translational kinetic energy? That's option A is the correct option. The string of length L fixed at one end carries the mass m at the other end. The string makes 2 pi revolutions per second around a vertical axis through the fixed end. The tension of the string is option D is the correct option. The ring of radius r slides down an inclined plane and reaches the bottom with speed v. If the radius of the ring is doubled, keeping its mi constant, the speed at the bottom of inclined plane will be option A is the correct option. The pendulum consists of a sphere of mass m suspended with a flexible wire of length L. If the breaking strength of the wire is 2 mg, then the angular displacement that can be given to the pendulum is 60 degree. The uniform rod of length L is rotating horizontally with uniform angular speed about a vertical axis passing through its one end. The force exerted on the rod is option D is the correct option. 3 identical balls, each of radius 10 cm and mass 1 kg, each are placed touching each other on a horizontal surface. Where is their CM located? On the horizontal surface, that's option B. The car is moving with a uniform velocity of 60 km per hour. What is its acceleration? That's option A, 0 km per hour square. The particle is moving with a constant speed along a straight line path. The force is not required to decrease its speed. The bullet is dropped from the same height. When another bullet is fired horizontally, they will hit the ground simultaneously. Option B. What is the ratio of the average acceleration during the interval OA and AB in the velocity time graph as shown below? That's option B. For the motion with uniform velocity, the slope of the velocity time graph is equal to 0 is the correct option. The ball is thrown vertically upward with an initial velocity of 50 meters per second. What is its maximum height? Option B is the correct option. Which is the formula for motion in a straight line? That's option A, V is equal to U plus AT. The point of intersection of three axes X, Y and Z is called as both A and B. Option C is the right option. The body starts from rest and moves with a uniform acceleration of 2 meters per second square. What is its velocity after 10 seconds? So the right option is option D, 20 meters per second. The particle moves in a straight line with an initial velocity of 10 meters per second and a constant acceleration of 2 meters per second square. Its displacement after 5 seconds will be option B, 100 meters. So students, this is about MCQs. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.